Hello guys, it's Rih and welcome to Rih Creation. I bet you're curious about today's topic, but you can probably guess it just by listening to the background music. Can you hear that? Of course, it's rain. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about 3 mythical rain gods from different cultures while designing my own character and showing you the process. So let's jump right in and bring it to life. Ukko is the chief deity in Finnish mythology, revered as the god of sky, thunder, and weather. His name translates to old man or grandfather, reflecting his status as a paternal figure. Ukko wields a hammer or axe, symbolizing thunderbolts, and is believed to control rainfall and fertility. He is often compared to other thunder gods like Thor in Norse mythology. In Finnish tradition, the festival known as Ukonwakat or Ukko's Cups was celebrated to honor Ukko. During this festival, people would offer ale and other libations to ensure good weather and abundant harvests. Communities gathered to drink in Ukko's honor, hoping to appease him and secure his blessings for their crops. Many African cultures tell stories of rainmakers and special individuals with the power to call forth rain through rituals or songs. These stories often center around the balance between human intervention and nature's will. The term rainmaker is often used to describe individuals or deities, believed to have the power to invoke rain. In various cultures, rainmakers perform rituals, dances, or ceremonies to encourage rainfall, especially during periods of droughts. These practices are deeply rooted in the belief that certain actions can influence weather patterns and are vital for agricultural societies. In some African traditions, rainmakers are revered figures who inherit their roles through lineage. They perform intricate rituals involving dances, chants, and the use of sacred objects to summon rain. One such ritual involves the rainmaker climbing a sacred hill, where they would invoke ancestral spirits and plead for rain to nourish the lands. Chaac is the ancient Mayan god of rain, lightning, and storms, depicted with a lightning axe and often associated with serpents. Chaac strikes the clouds to produce rain, essential for maize cultivation and sustaining life. He is a central figure in Mayan agriculture and religion. In Mayan mythology, Chaac is featured in the tale of sun and moon. He is considered the brother of the sun deity. Together, they defeated their adoptive mother and her lover. Later, Chaac was punished for having an affair with his brother's wife, and his tears of agony were believed to cause rain. In some versions, Chaac pursued the fleeing sun and moon with his lightning bolts, showcasing his tempestuous nature. These deities and figures highlight the profound connection between ancient cultures and the natural elements they revered, emphasizing the importance of rain in sustaining life and agriculture.